How to make Kung Fu tea. I'm going to tell you how to prepare authentic Kung Fu tea step by step. Step 1. Gather your ingredients and tools. Loose leaf tea like oolong, green or black tea. Hot water around 195 degree Fahrenheit for oolong, 175 degree Fahrenheit for green tea. Gaiwan or small teapot, teacups, tea tray, optional for traditional preparation. Next step, rinse the tea leaves. Add tea leaves to your gaiwan or teapot, about 1 teaspoon per cup. Pour the hot water over the leaves. Swirl for over a few seconds, then discard the water. This awakens the leaves and removes impurities. Now brew the tea by pouring hot water over the tea leaves again and let it steep for 10 to 30 seconds for the first brew. Pour the tea into cups and enjoy.